Okay, here's my thing about fire alarms. I am done with having the horn strobe type of fire alarms in my school. I'm just done with them. They're too loud, and they can cause panic attacks to people, and they defeat the purpose of an orderly evacuation. I hope that horn strobes are banned from all schools. They're just too loud for schools. Um, I'm done with the horn strobe type of alarm. I'm just done with them. Yeah, we need more speaker strobes or chime strobes. And we need to get rid of all the horn strobes. And not make them anymore. I think fire alarm manufacturers should not make the horn strobes anymore. Yeah, because they're just too loud. I mean, horn strobes should have been banned years ago. And I hope fire alarm manufacturers stop making the horn strobes for their alarms. And I hope they make only chime strobes and speaker strobes for their audible alarms, not the horn strobes. Horn strobes should be banned. I'm sorry, but they can cause people to go deaf. They scare people when they first go off. And one reason why so many people hate fire drills in school is because many schools have the horn strobe type of fire alarms. Horn strobes should be banned from every building, especially schools. Yeah, they're just too loud for schools. And yet, the fire marshal puts the horn strobes in the schools. I really want to see more chime strobes or speaker strobes in schools rather than horn strobes. Horn strobes are by far the worst fire alarms ever made. Man, they are too loud. And they can make me go crazy if they are going off. For drills or the real deal. Yeah, and the problem with horn strobes is that it has caused people to lose their hearing after every fire drill or any time the alarm system went off. It has caused people to go deaf permanently after drills or any event where the alarm system was triggered. Yeah, it has caused serious health problems to people, and especially with hearing. I mean, these things have resulted in hearing loss after every time it went off. And this is why buildings with horn strobes have hearing protection in some of the rooms. And this is why I would always wear hearing protection in school during the days that there is going to be a fire drill. Yeah, with the horn strobe type of fire alarms, you need to be wearing hearing protection in school, especially on fire drill days. Yeah. We just need to get rid of the horn strobes from our schools and have speaker strobes and chime strobes instead. I'm just ready for fire departments to change the fire alarm notification appliances from horn strobes to speaker strobes or chime strobes. I'm ready for that change. Because the horn strobe type of fire alarms suck. They're just too loud. I'm sorry, but they're just too loud. Bye.